Is the world of decentralized finance, DeFi, as secure as we think it is? A recent exploit involving flash loans and the decentralized exchange, WOOFi, might prompt us to reconsider. Imagine the shock and dismay when WOOFi, a thriving DeFi platform, saw the total value of its locked assets plunge by nearly 20% to $45 million. This sudden and dramatic decline was not due to market volatility, but rather a calculated, intricate flash loan attack. It was a typical day in the crypto space when the unexpected happened. WOOFi, within a span of 13 minutes, fell victim to a sophisticated hacking episode. The attacker didn't just stumble upon a vulnerability, they orchestrated it. The hacker made use of WOOFi's synthetic proactive market making (SPMM) algorithm. By leveraging the platform's low liquidity, they managed to disrupt the price of WOOFi's native token, WOO. They borrowed around 7.7 million WOO tokens, along with other assets, and dumped them on the platform. This act alone caused the price of WOO to plummet almost to zero. Capitalizing on this pricing anomaly, the attacker exchanged 10 million WOO tokens at minimal costs. They repeated this process 3 times, accumulating illicit profits of approximately $8.75 million. Fortunately, WOOFi's transaction monitoring system, along with other alert security teams in the crypto community, detected this anomaly swiftly. In response, WOOFi suspended its swap smart contracts to prevent further losses and launched a comprehensive investigation. In the aftermath of the exploit, WOOFi is not sitting idly by. The project has announced a 10% bounty incentive for the hacker if they choose to act as a white hat and return the stolen funds. Furthermore, WOOFi has partnered with Arkham Intelligence to offer a bounty for anyone who can provide valuable information about the exploit. Other WOOFi contracts, including WOOFi Stake, Earn, and Pro, remain fully functional and unaffected by the exploit. WOOFi has made it clear that they aim to have WOOFi swap up and running again within the next 2 weeks. Despite the setback, WOOFi remains committed to its mission and to ensuring the security of its platform. The incident serves as a reminder of the importance of robust security measures in the crypto world. In conclusion, the recent WOOFi exploit demonstrates the potential vulnerability of DeFi platforms to flash loan attacks. It highlights the importance of early detection systems, the resilience of the crypto community, and the ongoing efforts to secure and recover stolen assets. The incident underscores the need for continuous vigilance, stringent security measures, and prompt response in the face of potential threats.